Guys, today we're taking a look at Wondershare UniConverter 17, which is a suite of software that could actually save you a ton of time and maybe some money. Now, if you've ever got old photos lying around, maybe family stuff, maybe old memories, or even video clips that just look a bit rough, blurry, noisy, or even the wrong format, this is designed to fix all of that in just a few clicks. So if you want to come and see some cool software that can genuinely clean up your old photos and videos, then stick around. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, UniConverter 17. This is one of those bits of software that actually solves a few different problems at once, because normally if you want to restore old photos, clean up video footage, convert formats, or even upscale things, you're going to be jumping between multiple apps, which can be a bit painful for many reasons. So what is UniConverter 17? Well, like I said, it's a suite of software apps that brings a ton of AI-driven photo and video tools all into one place, and more importantly, it makes it simple enough that you don't need to be an expert to use it. Doing myself out of a job here, but anyway, before we get into it, Wondershare did send this over for me to take a look at and for me to give my honest opinion. And you know guys, that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get into it. Once you download and install UniConverter 17, this is what you're greeted with: a nice, clean and organized workspace. Everything is broken down into sections. You've got video tools, image tools, audio tools, and conversion tools. But for this video, we're really focusing on the AI side of things, because that's where this software actually gets interesting and, dare I say, quite impressive. So let's start with something most people will relate to. Old photographs. You know the ones, slightly faded, maybe a bit scratched, maybe just low resolution because they've been scanned many times or are just of an age. So first up, I'm going to put this image in of a tiger. Now you can see that this is pretty low res. Now down the right hand side of the interface, we've got a whole bunch of tools. We've got face enhancer, we've got image upscaler, basic repair, and so on. But I want to focus in on some of the advanced features utilizing the new Nano Banana models. So what is Nano Banana? Well, in a nutshell, it's basically an AI tool that lets you knock out thumbnails and visuals and stuff like that in seconds. Super quick, looks really good, and perfect when you just want to get content out without overthinking it. Now, I'm just going to select Clarity and Light Enhancement, and particularly the blur correction. Wait a few seconds for the model to do its stuff, and boom, look at that. This has added a ton of definition and clarity into this image, and the model has even introduced a soft blur to the background, which really makes this image pop. And that was just with the click of one button. I mean, it's pretty amazing, right? Also, as much as I like to see the detail side by side, I do also like the split screen with the slider, as it really does enable you to see the difference in all of the different parts of the image as you slide over it. It's added a ton of definition and clarity into this image, and the model has even introduced a soft blur to the background, which really makes this image pop. And that was just with the click of one button. I mean, it's pretty amazing, right? Also, as much as I like to see the detail side by side, I do also like the split screen with the slider, as it really does enable you to see the difference in all of the different parts of the image as you slide over it. Next up, guys, here is an image of me as a baby. Yep, this picture is around 56 years old. That's pretty old. I mean, it's probably a picture of a picture, right? So we've got faded colors, It's blurry, it's low definition, and you know what? That's probably just the way it was back then. But for this one, I'm going to select. Next up, guys, this is a very old picture of my friend's great granddad, I think. It's old, cracked and low res, but that's what pictures looked like back then. So for this one, I'm going back to the advanced Nano Banana model, but this time the advanced old photo repair. And once again, wait for that model to load up and look at that. No cracks, a ton of detail. And if you want to push the last piece of polish, let's use the colorization option. Wait a few seconds again for that model to load, and again, this definitely looks like how your eyes would have seen it back then. Up and look at that. No cracks, a ton of detail. And if you want to push the last piece of polish, let's use the colorization option. Wait a few seconds again for that model to load, and again, this definitely looks like how your eyes would have seen it back then. Also guys, another nice feature is you can export your images one by one, or you can batch export them, which is definitely another time saver. So instead of you waiting for your exports to finish one by one, batch them up, go do something else. When you're back, it's all done. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that, right? Now, we've seen photos. What about videos? Well, open the interface and you have a bunch of different tools to select from, including quality restoration, face enhancement, you get video denoise, you get frame interpolation, and more. And for this test, I'm going to put an old video, or I'm going to use an old video that I've kind of copied from, I don't know, it's probably like 1983, I think. It's encoded from an old VHS tape, which probably wasn't that great quality then. And you know what? I wasn't expecting miracles here, because you know what? VHS is, well, VHS. I mean, even DVD's getting like old technology, right? I mean, that's nothing. It's not even high definition, right? But this is VHS of a time. But actually using the standard quality restoration and looking at the preview, you can see on the left and on the right the restored video. Now, although you only get 3 seconds for a preview, it's definitely enough to see what kind of quality bump you're going to get. And lastly, guys, what about watermarks? That's something that comes up time and time and time again. We all want to remove them for whatever reasons, because they're a pain sometimes. But I have to say, UniConverter 17 actually does a great job of removing these, not only from images, but also from video. Here you can see no watermark at all, which is something like all of what we've been doing today that would have taken ages to do. So guys, there you have it. Wondershare UniConverter 17. I mean, I could go on and play with this software all day long, but I've got some other things to do. But it's definitely one of those tools that you probably wouldn't think about. But when you actually start using it, you realize how many little problems, and maybe some big ones, that it solves. If you're someone who deals with, or even has just lying around old photos, you want to brighten them up, make them look of the time but new. Maybe you edit content, or maybe you just want quick, simple improvements. This is the sort of thing that can quietly become part of your workflow. I've already found myself just quickly dropping things into this and opening up heavier software, and dare I say, trying to achieve the same manually. I know I'm talking myself out of a job because I kind of do this sort of stuff, but you know what? Life is definitely getting too short for all of that. Now, it's not perfect, and if you need absolute precision, you're still going to go to some Pro Tools and lose some of that lifetime. But for speed, ease of use, and for just getting things done, it's actually pretty solid. And guys, at the time of this video going live, there are a ton of offers for different licensing models. So check out the website. There's always deals. I'll leave the link in the description. I'll also leave any links to any further discounts there are in the description. If you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And guys, if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to Wondershare for sending me this cool software to review. I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.